Have you ever wondered what life will be like just a few years from now? The pace of technology is faster than ever, and what seems like science fiction today will be our reality tomorrow. By 2026, technology won't just be something we use, it will be woven into the very fabric of our lives. From AI that acts like a teammate to networks that connect us at mind-blowing speeds, we are on the verge of a massive shift. So, let's explore the 15 groundbreaking technologies that will completely redefine how we live, work, and connect in 2026. First up, generative AI is getting a major upgrade. Forget the chatbots that just write text or create images. Generative AI 2.0 is multimodal, meaning it understands and works with text, audio, video, code, and even real-time data all at once. Imagine an AI that can look at your company's financial charts, write the software to analyze them, and then create a video presentation summarizing its findings. By 2026, AI won't just be a tool, it will be a true collaborator, helping us solve complex problems in everything from medicine to manufacturing. Next, let's talk about connectivity. By 2026, 5G will be the standard, not a luxury. We're talking widespread, reliable coverage that finally reaches rural areas, powering smart cities and lightning-fast services for everyone. But the real excitement is bubbling up in research labs. Early experiments with 6 are already showing speeds over 100 gigabits per second. While commercial 6 is still a decade away, the breakthroughs happening now are setting the stage for a future of truly instantaneous, wireless communication. The way we build software is also being completely transformed. AI is now stepping into the role of a developer. We're seeing AI agents that can design, debug, and even deploy applications with very little human help. This is all powered by a new generation of AI-optimized supercomputers built to train these massive models at incredible speeds. The role of a human programmer is shifting from writing every single line of code to becoming a strategist, guiding the AI's creative process. This leads us to our fourth point, agentic AI and autonomous digital workers. These aren't just chatbots waiting for a command. Agentic AI can plan tasks, execute entire workflows, and even evaluate its own performance. Companies will soon be able to delegate entire processes, like onboarding new employees or managing complex logistics, to these autonomous AI agents. We're moving from a world where we ask AI for help to one where we give it a job and trust it to get it done. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. That's why AI governance and global regulation are becoming so important. Governments around the world, from the EU to the US and Japan, are creating rules to ensure AI is developed and used safely and ethically. By 2026, these regulations won't be an obstacle to innovation, they'll be a core part of it, ensuring transparency and building public trust. Number 6 is a fascinating concept, multi-agent AI systems. Instead of relying on one giant, all-knowing AI, this approach uses teams of specialized AIs that work together. Think of it like a human team. One AI might be an expert in data analysis, another in creative writing, and a third in fact-checking. They communicate, collaborate, and check each other's work to achieve better, more accurate results. We're already seeing this in finance and logistics. As our world becomes more digital, security is more critical than ever. That's where AI-powered preemptive cybersecurity comes in. Instead of just reacting to cyber attacks after they happen, these new systems can detect unusual activity in real time, isolate threats instantly, and stop attacks before they cause any damage. AI is becoming our digital guardian, proactively defending our networks. And what about our data? Confidential computing is the answer to our privacy concerns. This technology ensures that your data remains encrypted even while it's being processed. This is a game changer for sensitive sectors like healthcare and finance. It means that even if a system is compromised, the underlying data remains secure, making privacy a built-in feature, not an optional extra. Number 9 is all about empowering everyone to be a creator. Low-code and no-code development platforms are exploding in popularity. These tools allow people with no technical background to build their own apps, automate tasks, and customize software using simple drag-and-drop interfaces. By 2026, this will be how most business applications are built, leading to faster innovation and greater agility for companies of all sizes. At home, smart consumer technology is becoming the new normal. We're talking about smart mirrors that give you health updates, beds that track your sleep quality, and lightweight smart glasses that overlay digital information onto your view of the world. These devices are designed to seamlessly integrate into our daily routines, personalizing our experiences and making our lives easier without us even noticing. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is also maturing. Billions of connected devices are already transforming our cities, factories, and farms. But the key development is edge computing. Instead of sending all that data to a distant cloud server, edge computing processes it locally, right on the device itself. This means faster decisions, less lag, and more reliable systems, which is crucial for things like robotics and autonomous vehicles. Now for a technology that feels truly futuristic: quantum computing. For years, it's been mostly theoretical. But now, we're seeing real breakthroughs in stability and error correction. Scientists are building hybrid systems that combine classical and quantum computers to tackle problems that are impossible for today's machines, like designing new drugs or creating unbreakable encryption. By 2026, quantum computing will start moving out of the lab and into real-world applications. Virtual and augmented reality are also expanding far beyond gaming. Imagine surgeons practicing complex operations in VR, or engineers visualizing a new building design with our glasses. Lightweight mixed reality headsets will soon overlay digital information directly onto our physical world, making work and learning more immersive and reducing our reliance on screens. Number 14 is biotechnology, which is revolutionizing medicine and agriculture using AI-driven models. Researchers can now simulate how proteins fold, predict crop diseases before they spread, and design personalized medical treatments based on a person's unique genetic makeup. These tools are dramatically speeding up research and creating new solutions for global health and food security. Finally, let's talk about mobility. While fully self-driving cars are still a work in progress, semi-autonomous features are becoming standard in new vehicles. Features like automated parking, lane centering, and advanced highway assistance are already making driving safer and less stressful. We're also seeing controlled deployments of robotaxis in major cities. This marks a steady shift toward a future where humans and machines share the responsibility of driving. So, what does this all mean? The technologies of 2026 aren't just isolated trends. They are converging and connecting, creating a future that is more integrated and intelligent than ever before. Advanced networks, biotech, and smart devices are blending together to create a world where innovation isn't just a gadget we buy, but an invisible force that shapes how we live, work, and think. The most incredible part isn't just what this technology can do, but how seamlessly it will become a natural part of our everyday lives. The future is coming fast, and it's more adaptive and human-centered than we can possibly imagine. Thanks for watching. If you found this glimpse into the future as exciting as I do, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.